So, can you hold a property for me? This is one of the questions I get a lot from some of you. I understand you are not live near the property and you are interested in buying and you want to make a trip. You're very serious to do your own due diligence. So, if that's the case, you should always reach out to me. So this is Bei. I'm the founder of the cheaplandfarm.com. So all the land we're selling is our own land. So I'm not a realtor, not representing anyone to sell. So you should always reach out to me, and then we could hold it for you. But there has some amount of holding fee. We'll charge non-refundable holding fee towards the purchase. So if you're happy with that, we can hold it for you. The longest time we can hold is probably like a week or 10 days, depending on that property. So other than that, feel free to visit any of our property as long as it's still marketed as for sale, and then align with us first. So reach out to me for the holding time. I can definitely do that for you. Thank you for watching.